Good morning, my loves. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutu wa Homa Bay County. So today we're going to make hot chocolate, but make it Kenyan. We're going to make it the Kenyan way. So the ingredients are cocoa or cocoa, the original cocoa, not drinking chocolate. We're going to use chocolate. You can also use chocolate chips. We're going to need sugar, vanilla essence, and milk. Okay, without any further ado, let's go right into it. So in case you're wondering, this chocolate, it's Dairyland. It goes for 30 Kenya shillings. I decided to make something affordable for everyone. Okay, we're going to cut it into small pieces, tiny pieces, just like this. So in a sufuria, you're going to add 1 cup milk and 1 cup water. This is what I meant by the Kenyan way. I don't know if I'm the only Kenyan that adds water in my milk while I'm making tea, but this is the Kenyan way. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. When it comes to sugar, just taste it for yourself and see how you like it. Okay, but I put 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Remember, things like cocoa and sugar, they're things that you add according to your preference. So here I added 1 tablespoon of cocoa, and later you're going to see me add more because I needed more. Then we're going to stir that or koroga that. Now in Kenya, we normally add water in our milk when we're making tea according to the number of people in the house. Okay, so we're going to stir that, and then I'm going to add in 1/4 bottle top of vanilla essence. Just to give it some flavor. So we're going to stir that until the milk is warm. Then we're going to throw in the chocolates. Okay, the chocolate chips, the chocolates, whatever you're using at this point. Stir or koroga until the chocolate melts. As I said earlier, ingredients are according to your preference. So at this point, after you've put in the chocolate chips or the chocolates and you've stirred it and you taste it and there's not enough sugar, you can still add enough sugar. You see there's not enough cocoa, you can still add more. Tailor make it according to the amount of water and milk that you're using. Okay, so I went ahead and added another 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa because I saw it wasn't enough. I wanted it to be more darker, to look more darker, just like this. Okay, so we're going to stir that until the cocoa disappears, and then we'll be ready to serve. Truthfully, chaukwela, this hot chocolate was utamu. It was nice, it was sweet. Nasikia tamu. By all means, if you don't want to add water in your hot chocolate, please don't. Do whatever you want. YOLO, just cook it with pure milk. It's your life. Do you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.